Hey, I'm Emily and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made a cake topper using my Cricut. So I went to Michael's, got some glitter cardstock, designed the image in Design Space, cut the cardstock with my Cricut, and got some plastic sticks from Amazon. The color theme for this graduation party was royal blue and gold. So I headed over to Michael's to pick up the cardstock, and thank God I literally got the last royal blue color. And here it is. It looks honestly so gorgeous. Love this color blue. I ordered some acrylic sticks from Amazon. These are 6 inches. So first things first, we have to design our cake topper in Design Space. So I already have mine created here, but I'm just going to undo Unite so that way I could show you how I arranged them. So the most important thing with cake toppers is you want to make sure that your image all connects at some point. So if you see here, I have the body of the graduate connected to both the border and the C in class. And then the name I have connected to both the A and the O just to make it a little bit more secure. But everything needs to be connected in some way, otherwise it won't stay up. So once you move everything around and it's kind of just, how you like it, you're going to select all and unite them to make them just one big image. And I'm just going to resize my design because I want it to be about 7 inches wide. And for my material, I'm going to scroll down until I see glitter cardstock and select that. And I just like to select more for the pressure setting. So for the mat, I used a light grit mat just because I was a little worried about the standard grit mat ruining the back of the cardstock. So I'm gonna line it up. And then I'm using my brayer tool just to make sure it's nice and flat on the mat. And then when my Cricut is cutting, I had it cut 3 times just to make sure that it was really cut through. And then once it's done, I'm just removing like the little empty spaces and dots before I take it off. So I'm flipping my mat upside down and removing the excess, and then what I'm left with is the cake topper. And then there's just a little bit of extra space that we don't need, so I'm gonna get rid of that. And I'm using my spatula and gently go underneath the cake topper and pop it off from the mat. And this is what it looks like without the sticks. So now I'm just gonna flip it upside down, and I'm just measuring about where I want the sticks to be, where it's gonna make sense but also give the most support. So then I'm just gonna take some clear crafting glue and place dots where I'm gonna be putting the sticks. And then once I put the sticks down, I also put more glue on top of it to really make sure that they're covered. And then I actually did this 2 times, so I let the glue dry and then I applied another coat and let it dry. So once it's completely dry, this is what it looks like all done. It is a little bit flimsy. If you wanted to make it more sturdy, you could cut a second of the same design and glue that on the back. But I can move it around without it bending. You just have to be careful. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. This was my first attempt at making a cake topper, so I'm glad that it worked out. If you like this video, subscribe for more of my content and follow me on other socials so we could be friends. Everything is linked down below, including all of the products that I used in today's video. Bye!